So everyone, now I'm working on the seats and making that PVC fake leather stuff, the tepish out there. So that's the job I hate actually. Still have hard times fitting this one here. So I have made the place here on the front here firewall to allow the gas pedal, or the throttle pedal in English, well said, to move around. So I have to fit leather, not leather, this material out there too, and even close that opening somehow. Yeah, now I have pain in my accident leg out there, the right leg, so I can't really go down and work on that. Maybe later. As I said, I have 1 week holiday. Today is Monday, the first day in the holiday, and doing my best. Yeah. So about the wheels, the front wheels, I will keep those fat ones, of course. Thank you very much for your feedback on the previous video. And yeah, this is what I'm doing, and today I made something very nice, and let's see it together. Surprise! Yeah, as I promised George from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, here is the flathead look. So I painted the tank. For those who don't know, this V-shape engine, or looking like, or V8 looking like, it is a fuel tank mounted on the top of this machinery engine, Kart engine. And yeah, I painted it red on the top and the bottom. This is, how to call it, I don't know if you can turn the lights on of the camera. No, it's not possible, so I have to live with it. It's a bit glossy. It's a gray kind of spray can for exhaust pipes, heat resistant. And I glued those kind of chrome things out there. There'll still be protecting tape on the top though, so when you remove it, it looks more shinier. I removed this one here. Yeah. And here it is, as I promised. One from the comments on the previous video, I'm sorry I forgot your name right now, I don't have the computer beside me. You asked me to put a fake kind of radiator behind the cooling the grill shell. I'm not going for that, and if you followed all the videos I'm doing here, everything, and I mean everything on the Kart, even if it is not originally doing what it is known to do, it does something. Nothing is fake out there. The engine formed, it is a fuel tank. Those air intakes are the air intakes. The fan will be working, and another thing, there will be, as you know, on these V8 engines, there is always the alternator, or how to call it, here, mounted here. This, oops, sorry, it will be mounted here somehow. Yeah, this is not an alternator because the engine have already one inside. So, but it will be functioning even too. So this will be the engine that drives electrically the cooling fan. If the cooling fan will be fast enough to cool the engine or not, I don't know, but it will be turning at least. I will put a button right here somehow how to activate it. So nothing is fake, so I'm not gonna put nothing fake. Thank you very much for talking about that point. I'm thinking of closing it somehow to avoid that messy looking out there. Maybe I'm going for such kind of tissue or something, but there will be no fake stuff. Yeah, still have to paint the front lights. I will make them black. I will order on eBay. There is some tape like this one, but thicker. I will put it more fat, or how to call it. I will put it on the edge of it. Yeah, I have many, like, so I can't resist buying those things, because when I was looking for them, really, it was pretty expensive. So I bought all of them, and I will buy more when I swap meat and stuff like that. Yeah, here we are. Here I am right now, and hope you like it. Thanks very much for watching, and here another look to the fuel tank, V8 looking. So have a nice day. Thanks very much, and for the next video, see you.